morning, Sunrisers. I'm Dr. Karen Emerson, and today I have with me my associate, Dr. Stevenson, and this beautiful German Shepherd. She's 3 years old, and her name is Chloe. Chloe actually presented a few months ago non-weight bearing on her elbow. I think it was the left side. She came in, she was limping, she was in so much pain. We went in to try to palpate the elbow. It's okay, Chloe. So we actually took an x-ray and we actually found that she had something called Ununited Anconeal process. And all this means is that as Zoe was growing, some bones in her elbow did not basically form properly. So it caused her, as she was growing, as she was getting bigger, the bone actually broke off. It ununited. And we actually saw on x-ray a piece of bone. And I'm actually going to get to show you guys the actual piece of bone we took out during our surgical procedure. We actually had to go in and do surgery on Chloe's elbow, where we went into the joint and found this very, very large piece of bone fragment. And that piece of bone fragment was just floating around in her joint. And every time she would walk, it was moving and rubbing on her soft tissue. It was causing arthritis in the joint. So a lot of you guys out there that have arthritis, just think about that, having a free floating piece of bone out there causing severe inflammation, severe pain. I mean, she didn't even want to get up. The good thing is, after we did surgery, the next day we called and talked to the parents. They were so happy. And guess who else was happy? Chloe was happy. She was actually up, already starting to walk, and now she has full mobility in that elbow. Now, she does suffer still from some arthritis. We've talked to her parents about that. We've talked to them about her weight control. We talked to them about different types of nutritional supplements they can put her on. And, of course, we do offer the laser therapy. So if you have a dog that you notice is maybe having intermittent elbow lameness, like they're walking and then they'll sit down or they hold that elbow up, or if you go to pet them, they just jerk back in extreme pain. Those are all signs of this disease called Ununited Anconeal process, and we even see it in younger dogs at an age of 1, but normally they're going to really start showing major clinical signs when they get about 3 years of age. So if you have a large breed dog and you just want to have them checked out, if you notice a little bit of limping, bring them in. We can do those x-rays, and remember, your pets will thank you.
WCBI Animal Health with Dr. Emerson was brought to you by Emerson Animal Hospital in West Point.